Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Runescape on Mac. First, understand that both old-school Runescape and Runescape 3 are fully supported on Mac OS. You'll need to ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience. We'll cover downloading the official client, installing it, and getting started with your adventure in Gielinor. It's a straightforward process that will have you playing in no time. To begin, navigate to the official Runescape website or Steam. You'll find separate download options for old-school Runescape and Runescape 3. Make sure to select the Mac OS version of the client. Alternatively, you can download the JGEX launcher, which provides access to both games. Always download from official sources to ensure security and compatibility. Once the download is complete, open the DMG file. This will typically present a window where you can drag the Runescape application icon directly into your applications folder. After the transfer is finished, you can close the DMG window. Then, simply open your applications folder or launchpad and click on the Runescape icon to launch the game client. Upon launching the game, you'll be prompted to create a new JGEX account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, the game will guide you through an introductory tutorial, teaching you essential gameplay mechanics. Once the tutorial is complete, you are free to explore the expansive world of Gielinor, undertake quests, and interact with other players. Enjoy your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.